In this video, we'll talk about the Deephaven GitHub Copilot extension. It brings all of Copilot's great features to the Deephaven development experience, such as intelligent code completion, natural language queries, semantic search of docs and code, and more. It's trained specifically on Deephaven's code and documentation, ensuring accurate, up-to-date information when queried. Let's first talk about what you'll need to use this tool. There are only two requirements and some recommendations. You'll need Deephaven, and you'll need GitHub Copilot. Any GitHub Copilot plan works from the free tier all the way to the enterprise tier. It's recommended that you have one or more of the IDEs that supports GitHub Copilot. In this video, we'll be using Microsoft Visual Studio Code to show how it works. If you do use Microsoft Visual Studio Code, it's also recommended that you download the Deephaven extension, as it enables you to execute queries against a running Deephaven server from the IDE directly. Install the requirements and any recommendations you wish to use by following the installation instructions on their web pages. Links to the requirements and recommendations can be found in the video description below. Next, head to github.com/apps/deephaven and click the Install button. Follow the instructions, and you're off and running. Like other LLM tools, it can be used as a chatbot. For instance, Deephaven, what's the difference between a dynamic table writer and a table publisher? After a few seconds, it summarizes everything you need to know. You can also use the extension to write natural language queries. For example, Deephaven, write me code that creates a table that ticks 5 times a second with sine and cosine waves. After a few seconds, it gives me the code along with some plotting code to show that the query works as expected. If you want complete documentation, just ask for it. Hey Deephaven, can you point me to the documentation for a table iterator? Not only do I get a direct link to the web page, but it also summarizes everything for me. One important feature that shouldn't be overlooked is file context. You can ask it to analyze files, a code base, the current selection in the editor, and more. Lastly, if you want a full list of capabilities, just ask it for help with /help. There are two different ways you can use the extension. You can use it on GitHub directly. Click the Copilot icon at the top right of the GitHub webpage and a chat window opens. You can also use it from any IDE that's supported by Copilot. In Microsoft Visual Studio Code, click the Copilot icon at the top of the window to open up a chat window on the right-hand side of the UI. For instructions in other IDEs, refer to Copilot's documentation for installation and usage instructions. Deephaven is the premier platform for real-time and batch data analytics. The Deephaven Copilot extension helps you write queries faster than ever before. Be sure to check the video description below for more information and relevant links. Happy querying!